Hey guys, check this out. It's the rear window defogger covers for the JL from Yotto Overland. Say goodbye to broken defrost cables with these simple molded resin covers that attach with 3M double-sided tape. They come in a pair for the driver and passenger side and provide some additional protection if you often load up your Jeep. Also in the box is some extra adhesive tape and 2 cleaning wipes. So it's out to the Jeep for this quick install. First things first, open up your tailgate and back glass. On the driver's side, grab a cleaning wipe, clean the area, mock up where the mount will go, remove the backing tape, and press it firmly into place. Looks good. On to the passenger side. Again, grab the cover, remove the tape backing, then unhook the cable from the stock mount on the glass and connect it to the cover. Now press the cover into place. Just like that, we're all set. Grab yours in the link below and add some protection to your Jeep. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.